Okay, what I'm showing you here from Enlight is the 8 gigabyte Lightning flash drive. You can use this with your iDevices. You plug it in and it automatically pops up and lets you know that the app is not installed, and then you can go straight to the App Store and download it for free. And then it'll ask you, for permissions about having access. You can say okay, or you can not allow it. Definitely, allow your photos at least. It's up to you whether to do the contacts and calendar. I chose not to because I don't really use my calendar, but you can give it access to all the stuff that you need to. I did not opt for the push notifications because I find those to be annoying, but you may want those for yours. Once you do that, you can go to the camera roll and select which folder or all of them and transfer. Now I did all, and as you can see I had a lot of pictures I wanted to transfer over, and start time was about 1:39 p.m. At 1:40 p.m. it was already this far along, so that was pretty cool. Then around 2 o'clock it had about almost 1,300 of the photos copied over. It did take a while for the last little bit, I think because it was larger quality photos, but it was pretty much done around 2:25 p.m. and I definitely recommend this for anyone that needs for extra storage or backup purposes.